Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by capturing clean audio. Use a USB or XLR mic and place it 6-12 inches from your mouth to reduce room reverb. Once set, open your recording app and set sample rate to 44. 1 kHz or 48 kHz for compatibility. Record a 5-10 second test phrase, then listen for clipping and background noise. Adjust gain until peaks sit around -6 dB. Make sure to label the file clearly so you can track versions. Start the actual take when levels are steady and consistent. Once you have clean takes, trim leading and trailing silence and remove obvious clicks or pops. Normalize gently to about -3 dB so software reads levels consistently. Next, apply noise reduction and a light EQ to enhance clarity. Boost presence around 3.6 kHz and reduce low rumble below 80 Hz. Export a lossless file like WAV or FLAC. Then run transcription using a local ASR engine or a cloud API. Make sure language, accents, and model size. You finish by reviewing the transcript line by line, edit homophones, punctuation, and speaker labels so the text reflects intent and meaning. Once corrected, time-align captions if required and export to SRT for video, TXT for quick use, or DocX for editing. If accuracy is low, troubleshoot. Check signal-to-noise ratio, re-record problem passages, or switch to a larger model or different language profile. Finally, archive your audio and transcript together so you can reproduce or update the work quickly later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.